So when you format or install your Windows 10 or 11, especially in the offline mode, you may have issues with the drivers installed on your device, like the audio drivers or the Wi-Fi, or even with the display drivers. And even if you bring up the device manager, you may find that many of the hardware drivers are not working. And then after formatting or installing your Windows, you have to go with a long procedure, searching all those kind of drivers and then installing them, and it takes a long time. But there is a quick solution of this by using a free Windows tool, that is command prompt. And the solution will be, like before formatting or installing your Windows, you can back up all your drivers to any other folder. And then when you are done formatting or installing the Windows, you can install those drivers immediately, and you will not have to use any internet connection or any kind of third-party tool. Now, in order to start the backup, you will have to connect any external pen drive or any external hard drive where you can take the driver's backup. Because once you will be formatting your main drive, all the data will be erased. So you will have to take the backup to any other external drive. Alright, so I have connected my pen drive of around 28.6 gigabyte. And as of now, you can see all my drivers are working properly on this machine. Like my Wi-Fi, my audio, graphic, everything is working perfectly. I will be taking the backup of all these drivers only. And in order to start the backup, you will have to click on Windows Search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, choose Run as admin, click on Yes. The black window will be up. Now before running the command, first what you will have to do, open up the File Explorer, go to the destination where you will be taking the driver's backup, like I will be taking in this SanDisk USB. So I will bring it up. And here I will be creating a folder. So I will right click here, hold up on New, choose Folder. And I can name it as drivers or drivers backup, whatever you want to. And once you have created the folder, make a right click on it. Click on Copy as Path, because this path you will need while running the command. So click Copy as Path. Again bring up the command prompt and type here dism space / online. Now dism is a command tool that will be helping us to take the driver's backup. Space / online, then space / export, as we are exporting, dash driver space / then type destination, and then you have to paste the same path of this folder that you have copied, right? So just make a right click here and the path will be pasted. Now remove this inverted comma. Bingo. Alright, so this will be the only simple command, dism space / online space / export dash driver space / and the destination followed by the destination path. So now on my end it's E drive and the folder name is drivers. Now on your end, this E drive can be different. So whatever it is, when you will make a right click on it and choose copy as path, the drive letter and the path of this folder will be automatically copied. Alright, so once you have typed this simple command, now this time when you hit the enter key, so you will find the exporting of the drivers has been started. And it will all depend that how many drivers are being installed on your device. On my end, it's a virtual machine, so it only shows me few of them. But on your real machine, it will show a lot of them, as there will be huge driver list of all the hardware installed on your laptop or PC. So once it's been done, it says the operation completed successfully. And this time if I bring up the same folder, the driver folder we created, and if you open it, so you will find the backup of all the drivers over here. So this was the first step, guys, that how you will take the data backup. Now let's see how you will be importing it back after formatting or installing the computer. And I will be quickly formatting this computer here. And after formatting, I will show that how exactly you have to import all these drivers. Alright guys, so finally I have formatted this Windows 11 machine from where I took the drivers backup. Now few of these drivers are not working, like the audio driver you can see. It's been disabled, it's not working because of the drivers probably. And if I bring up the device manager here again, even I can see the sound, video and game controller option is not being showing over here. Alright, so now in order to simply get all the drivers, what you will have to do, on the very top where it says desktop, probably it will show your username. So make a right click on it, click on add drivers, then click on browse. Now locate to the external drive where you have taken the data backup to that particular folder. So it was in my external USB. I will open it, and inside it I will find the drivers folder. I will select it and then click on OK. Click on next. And now you can see it's searching for all the drivers, and very quickly it says driver successfully installed. So you can see how quickly and how effectively it works. You don't need any third-party tool. You don't need any kind of internet connection, and all your drivers will be immediately back on your device. Now once I click on close, I have to go ahead and restart my computer. Probably it will give you the pop-up as well. In case if it doesn't pop up to restart, go ahead and restart the computer. And bingo guys, so now you can see the computer has been restarted and all my drivers are working properly. The audio driver that was not been working because of the drivers, now it seems to be working. And even if I bring up the device manager, so you will find the sound, video and game controller that was missing. It's been back now. Even if your display adapter, all kind of your graphic driver will be automatically installed. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully this video will surely help you. And from the next time, if you have the driver issues, then before formatting or installing the Windows, kindly go ahead and take that driver's backup first and then go with the procedure. And if you found this video informative and helpful, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.